top level elements. And uh, third one, yeah, it's nothing but a little bit of CSS, not more. It's enough. So today we are going to discuss about those three. And guys, can you anyone tell about the semantic tags? Please, anyone know about semantic tags? Comment box. Use comment box. Guys, guys, do you know anyone the semantic tags meaning? Form. It's not a form. Magna. No. Any other one? Articles. Yes. Articles. Describes use of the markup language to represent something. Yes. But Yogi, the last sentence, the meaning, what you said is correct. Uh, a semantic tag is nothing but it clearly describes its meaning to the both browser and the developer. The main content, yes, it's nothing but the content. So here we having a six semantic tags here. The major which are we using like header, nav, section, articles, footer, and aside, right? And yes, please draw a diagram. Just I will show the diagram to you. Uh, Guys, draw this diagram. Is it visible? Can anyone unmute and say is it visible or not? Magna. Hello.
It's visible.
Okay.
such a visible.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Guys, please draw a diagram in your rough notes, whatever it may be. It is very helpful for you. Please draw. It having a six type of contents or not contents. We call them as elements: header, nav, section, article, SI, footer. Okay, the semantic text. So yeah, actually, just I told that a semantic elements clearly describe its meaning to both browser and the developer. Just it's mentioned very clearly, right? That is the meaning of the semantic tags, and we will explain one by one when we move on to the sublime text. Just I will explain what is the header, section, aside, article, footer. Just you have to draw this diagram. Okay, I think completed, guys. Guys, completed. Can I? Guys, completed. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Yeah. So well. So I think you guys also observe in the diagram we are having a six different type of elements like header, nav, section, article, footer, side. Okay. Yeah. The first thing, just we have to jump in our the VS. Okay, sorry, not the VS Code, just Sublime text, right? Sorry, wait. So okay, no problem. Yes. Yeah. Open with Sublime. Here. Right. Yeah. Guys, is it okay? Yeah. Guys, is it visible? Use comment box, please. Hello. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. జస్ట్ ఇది ఒక బేసిక్ కంటెంట్ సేమ్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ ఏవైతే హెడ్డింగ్స్ యూస్ చేసామో ఇక్కడ ఏవైతే స్ట్రాంగ్ కంటెంట్ యూస్ చేసామో సో ఇక్కడ లింక్స్ లింక్స్ దాని తర్వాత అన్ఆర్డర్ ఆర్డర్డ్ సో వీ హ్యావ్ యూ జస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ యూజింగ్ సో మెనీ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ అవర్ ద బేసిక్ ఆఫ్ HTML. So now it's time for the semantic tags. So it's give you a meaningful అంటే లైక్ ఎలాగంటే సిమాంటిక్ ట్యాగ్స్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేయాలి సిమాంటిక్ ట్యాగ్స్ యూజ్ చేయకుండా కూడా మనం వెబ్ పేజ్ మనం డిజైన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా అంటే ఎస్ మనం చేసుకోవచ్చు బట్ ఇట్ ఇట్ డి నాట్ గివ్ యూ ఏ మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వెబ్ పేజ్ అంటే లైక్ ఎలా అంటే స్ట్రక్చర్ ఓరియంటేషన్ అనేది మనం తీసుకురాలి లైక్ దిస్ సో ఎలా ఉంటుంది సో ఇట్ నాట్ సో లైన్ బై లైన్ సెంటెన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ బి గివ్ ఓకే ఓకే లేదు కదా ఐ మీన్ కింద లాస్ట్ దాకా వచ్చేస్తుంది ఇది మూవ్ అంటే సో దట్ క్లియర్ చేసి అగైన్ న్యూ ఫైల్ జస్ట్
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా ఒకసారి ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే హలో Magna, is it okay, Magna?
Yes, sure. Okay.
Just type dot HTML. Yes, I'm creating another HTML code, right? Yes. Yes. And open with the Sublime text here. Open. Guys, look at it. So whenever we open the new HTML folder, just we have to create the home page structure for everything. It's common to all. Just we have to HTML and just we have to click the HTML and enter and it's give the home page structure for that page. Okay, that's the default structure. Okay. Okay. Surendra, can you unmute and say that maybe I am very confusing today whether my net is working or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Surendra, let's see. Yeah. Here, title. Here, first title will be given here a kite, right? Just we go with the kite domains. So kite domain, just control save and refresh. సో ఇది ఎందుకు రాలేదంటే ఇక్కడ మనం లాస్ట్ లో వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ దట్ నేమ్ వాట్ వీ సేవ్ ఇక్కడ ఇండెక్స్ డాట్ HTML అంటే ఇది ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది సో ఇక్కడ ఇండెక్స్ డాట్ HTML అంటే ద ఫస్ట్ పేజ్కి వెళ్తుంది కాబట్టి సో సెకండ్ పేజ్ లోకి రావాలంటే జస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ హియర్ ఎంటర్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది కదా ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది కైట్ టు మెన్ అది సారీ కైట్ KW సో ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి ఓకే entire thing is common guys whether it may be normal or semantic tag the format is same for the all and the first in first out just here semantic tags the first one be going with the header okay so when you open the header just type the header given a header and guys what is in a header so semantics. A header. Yeah. Can you anyone tell the meaning of header? Can anyone know? Guys, come on. Heading. Yeah, heading. It's nothing but a heading, Magna, but it it represents a navigation links. The header means anyone? Top. Okay. Top is also right, but yeah. Yeah. Definition and uses. Uh, Definition and uses. Okay. Someone is correct. Yogi. So yeah, the header element represent a contender for the content, like it's nothing but a set of navigation links. Navigation is nothing but the URL, the what just I think you know the navigation links, right? uh, the navigation links which we are presenting as in the HTML, uh, like this, right? uh, Tag A, when you're pressing tag A, that's it's giving some source of attribute for that. That is called the navigation. That is called the links. That is called the links. Okay. So so what is a header? So has my knowledge. So header is a set of navigation. Navigation or maybe sorry. And uh, another one who says that any comments here? Main page of the web page. Okay. URL. Okay. Heading. Yeah. Good man. You're right. It's nothing but the heading. So heading. Actually, I mentioned that the headings are from H1 to H6. Okay. Good. I think. See, I'm not preparing any PPT. Just you guys are saying the correct information. That information I'm picking and just I simply copy pasting that. That is the motto for me. Okay. I did not prepare anything for you especially. Okay. Then, yeah. Is it enough for the heading? I think. Okay. Yeah. This is the header. The header is a set of navigation links, and the header is nothing but the headings, like H1 to H6. That's it. Then again we jump into Sublime Text, and here headings, right? And H1, it's give you the bigger head, right? And H1 it's give, and you say that uh, my my website, right? Yes, Control Z and see that it's given. Okay, just it's given. It's then header is nothing but the top of the your website of a content, and it's a heading, and it's a set of a navigation links. So the navigation links. So here we have to paste a that give you a navigation link. That's not we have to do it here. And the second one, uh, section, right? So section and right. See here we are having a section, right? In the section we are having an article and essay. So the section is not like you say. Section is contain article and essay. So section simply is contain an article. Okay. practical. Uh, right. And, and we have one paragraph here. So, paragraph. Here, just I am simply copy pasting this for the paragraph here. I should paste it here. And I want some more articles. So here, articles and H3. Control C, see what happened. Yeah, it's given the information what we pasted in that. Okay. Yeah, guys. So what do you observe, right? See here also just we adding the articles, right? Here. So what is the meaning of it? Guys, is anyone? Yeah, the group of content section is correct. Correct, the group of content. Simply. Section. Next, is anyone? Uh, it's nothing but a uh, the section hence a section document. That's it for the section. See, when we are opening the section and we have to mention the articles, right? When you observe the diagram, the header is the top of the table and the section is the middle part. In the section we are having an article and the aside. Aside is nothing but the category. It's nothing but the links. Just I will explain to all, and no problem. Yes, go jump in, and here then the property. Yes. Yeah. So here, uh, so okay, acha. Guys. Sorry, I did a mistake here. I think some more biggie letters right here. All the which I mentioned. So here, I want to change it at P and here P. Sorry, I think, I want to give the paragraph size, not for the heading. P and here also Control save and see. Yes, now it's okay. And Yeah. Now, just here we have to mention the heading. So heading is nothing but the information uh, posted by Kite W. Same here also S3 and posted by Kite W. Here S3 again and posted by also. So I want to here. So I want to add some A tags also so to read more. So here A tag. Just I'm saying that read more. Read more and here also same tag. So it's given as a link, but here we have to type and it will not taken to anywhere. Okay, uh, because we because sorry because we did not mention anything here to go. Suppose suppose we are mentioned here like http slash dot com. Sorry. And here I think I shared I think last line. Here can we press here? It will not taken. Can we click here? So same result. When we click here, it will taken to the Google because here we mentioned the source attribute. Okay. Uh, then guys, okay, I don't tell about the articles, right? Sorry. Yes. Guys, articles is nothing but then independent. So articles is nothing but the independent and self-content. So why I'm using the self-content means just we are supposed to give that information. So we have to give that information, and no one. So not the some computer will not give that information, right? Yes, we have to create our own information to the articles. So articles is nothing but the a lines of a paragraph or the self-content. Okay. Just I will mention the one word here. I'm containing the self-content. The one word is enough for this. Okay. And here. Okay. Then we completed header section article, and we go with I think a section, right? sorry, a side, not a section. Here, yes, we have to give the category. Category, and suppose I'm giving, I will explain you, right? Wait for the few minutes. I think. So, yes. Yeah, it's okay. So what is the meaning of a S side? So see, the S side is nothing but the same content which we placed in. So the same content. So as we so here see, I think we are mentioning this. Yeah, the same content which are mentioning in the list or forms or paragraphs is nothing but we are using in the S side. So it is a completely difference between the uh, runtime application and the real time application with what we are using. Just we are the we always the use the real time application is nothing but the semantic tags. Okay, so aside, I will write that meaning here. I think you people will understand. Aside is nothing but it's defense. So, content. Oh, that's it. It's content is some content. That's it. And aside is a small meaning for the aside. Guys, can you indirectly? Yeah, this is also aside. Same. It's like a sidebar indirectly they're relevant to the surrounding content. Same. It's nothing but the some content which we are placing. That's right. And what is it now? Guys, can anyone reply? What is the meaning of now? Hello? Okay, now depends in navigation. Yes, a set of links. Yes, yes. Yeah. So I think This is a set of navigation links, right? This is nothing but the navigation links. Just you have paste here nav. Yeah, yes, it's right. So it's nothing but about the navigation links. So navigation is set of the links. It's nothing but yes, list of links also is right. So whenever we are using the navigations, just we have to give that navigation links. So here, uh, just we have given. Sorry, yeah. This is called the navigation links. It is called the articles. This paragraphs is nothing but an articles, and it is called posted by kite women's or kite whatever it may be. The content heading that goes for the section. The always the section under the article and articles under the site is always, and the main header goes to the only header part. And and navigation. Yogi said that list of links. That's it. And sixth and last but not the least, footer. Footer is my favorite element and lost because it gives you happiness for the ending. What is the meaning of a footer, right, guys? Guys, oh, what is the meaning of a footer? Hello, Surendra, Magna, Yogi, am I audible? Hello. Hello. Yeah, copyright information. Yes, that's right. Yes, that is the one word answer for the footer. Footer is nothing but the below part of the your web page. It's nothing but the copyright information. Yes, good. Just see here. Always we have to give paragraphs opening. It's nothing but the copyright. So copyright. Suppose we want to give this ampersand 2020 or 2020. Let's give your name for others. Suppose I'm giving that. This web page created by the 2020 at the time of Kite and Kite Women's who are created for this. Just control save and see over here. And it's given. Yes, it's nothing but the copyright. The footer is nothing but always. When you mention in footer, just suppose this footer, you have to mention bottom of the section, but it will gives you here only. That's the footer. The footer. It means it's display only the below of your web page. It's nothing but the copyright information or what that blog post or whatever it may be. That's Okay, yeah, I suppose here again I want to go to the index or index.html. So see, always I did not type here and go it to the same page, right? So I want to change to here. So let's see what happened here. So just I'm giving that link, a link. I'm telling you that index.html, and here go to HTML. Control Z. Just see what will happen. Yes, it's given. See, uh, it's given. Go to HTML. When you're clicking this, it's going to our index.html here. So here also we can mention here a link, and what the page kite.html, right? Yes, kite.html. Kite.html. Go to iTunes. Control Z, and have to refresh here. Oh, where is that? It should be. Oh, yeah, it's there. See, at the bottom of the page. And like this, it's all about, guys. నేను చాలా 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 బేసిక్ లో చెప్పాను. ఇంకా యూ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ మోర్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు థింక్ మోర్, అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ మోర్. జస్ట్ అవగొట్టచ్చు చాలా ఈజీగా. సో బట్ మీకు ఎందుకు ఇంత ప్రాక్టికలర్ గా చెప్పానంటే, నాకు తెలుసు ఈ రోజు చాలా మీరు అంత కష్టపడ్డారు, నాకు తెలుసు అర్థం కాలేదని ఆవిడ. బట్ యూ సపోజ్ టు డూ ఇన్ యువర్ సిస్టమ్, ఇట్ ఇట్ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ కంపల్సరీ. సెమాంటిక్ ట్యాక్స్ అదో అంటే సెమాంటిక్ ట్యాక్స్ కొంచెం అర్థం కావడానికి మేబీ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ ఫర్ 1 hour. That's it. It will not take any more, but it will give uh, it will to understand the topic. It will take for 1 hour or 2 hours of time, whatever your capacity. It should be. It depends on you. Okay. This is all about the basic structure of HTML or the semantic tags. Okay. This all about the our academics, the first unit, uh, what what they mentioned in our academics, and I done with the behind of the academics also. I will explain all the web pages like images, source, attributes like this. Okay. I think the one thing you have to do, you have to open your laptops at the time, at the evening time, 7 to 8 or 8 to 10, what time it should be. Just you should have to practice on the text editors, and that's give you more confidence while you're doing, and more energy. That give you more energy. Believe me, the only HTML gives you that the web developer compulsory. That when you try, uh, I think you are new to web development, uh, or if you're new to web technologies, the full stack development. But the HTML, the source give you that whenever you design a one web page, that will confident and capacity, that will think you that yes, you are becoming a web developer. That's give you that more confident on you. Please take it as a serious words from me. So you have to work at home. Okay. I think I completed with my first semantic tags, and next what I'm okay, inline and block line. Yeah. So inline and block line, guys, it's not that much more important, but it is an important to know what the in level and block level elements. So here, yeah, inline, inline level element. Can you anyone tell me the what is the inline level element? The bottom of the page. policy, terms of service, guidelines. Yeah, that all comes from the footer. Yeah, guys, can you anyone know? Guys, anyone know inline? Hello, Surendra. Surendra, my voice is clear, Surendra. Inside tag, I think. Just the inline element is nothing but the that do not start on a new line. Okay? Do not start on a new line. Uh, Takes only think with I think so with take only sorry take only sorry with so see here దీంట్లో మనం ఏం నేర్చుకుంటామంటే చూడండి ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఆడ ఏం చెప్తానంటే డు నాట్ స్టార్ట్ ఆన్ ఏ న్యూ లైన్ అంటే మీరు ఒకటి మొన్న నేను మనం ఇండెక్స్ డాట్ HTML లో మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం సో ఏవైతే ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను బిఆర్ ట్యాగ్ అని లేకపోతే ఇమేజ్ అని ఏ ట్యాగ్ అని దానికి కొత్త లైన్ లో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వ మేబీ విల్ గివ్స్ యూ దట్ నెససరీ విత్ అన్నది ఇస్తుంది సో ఇన్లైన్ ఎలిమెంట్ లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయంటే సో here inline here having an image tag, a tag, sorry, spam. It's all about the inline. And coming to the block level element. So block line, it will always start on a new line. Start on a, sorry. And takes full width. It will take the full width available. As per my knowledge, I'm telling you that just you have to Google it and see whether I'm saying correct or not. Okay, just I'm saying that just what I am typing on my mind, just I'm typing it. Okay, you can't believe me. Okay, you also work on Google or search for Google. Okay, and and here we have to tags div tag and h1 to h6 h1 to h6 tags. It will store on a no line compulsory, and a paragraph tags also will be and anything. Yes, I think so. Forms, right? Forms, nest, and various forms, etc. etc. I think it's how many. Okay, once you think, okay. guys, it's all about the in level, uh, inline level element and block level element. Okay, just I'm once again I'm telling that I'm just the presenting you that the minimum basic of the knowledge which I contain to myself, and I representing you. That's it. You have to study more and you have to practice more. Okay. So sorry. Yeah. We all. Yes, my you're right. And I think guys, do you want to? I will share the guys. Do you want this code? Is anyone are interested? Anyone want this code? This HTML dot sorry index dot HTML the guide please. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good. Good response from you. Okay. And I think we're having a 5 more minutes to time, and I think I forgot to mention here, right? Uh, Other technologies. I will explain you that CSS, a little bit of CSS, not more. And see, whenever we using the CSS, automatically you have to type that style. Style tag that represent that the content of the CSS. Almost just when you type the style, press enter in that, it will open for you that type the text and CSS file. Okay. So it will open. So it uh, this symbol indicates the ID hashtag. I think uh, hashtag indicates that ID of this main header. I think guys, I think you will disturb. I think today a lot of disturbance you get. I think so. I think the most of people will not understand all the semantic tags. I think. Okay, I will explain CSS maybe another class telling you the CSS right now, because it will take some time and you have to understood some attribute tags for the CSS, style tags, and you must know all the stuff like that. Okay, so I'm not telling in this class for the CSS. So guys, okay, tomorrow we will discuss about again once again the HTML basics and the semantic tags once again we have to recollect. And what is your task, how to do at home is just you have to prepare for the CSS. See, CSS is not the difficult. You people have to know what the importance for the CSS. Just the CSS indicates that cache coding style sheet. Yes, you have to know that name. That's enough for the entire CSS, because I'm talking about the interview process, right? If you attended for the interview, when your resume contains a full stack developer or a web developer, when you the interview or HR will not ask the deep questions on the CSS. They will ask only the full form for the CSS. Okay, the full form is very style sheets. Okay, you have to learn that. Okay, I did not explain the all the CSS, and tomorrow I will explain again the HTML, the basics and the semantic tags for once again for the recollecting, and the day after tomorrow, and we are going to uh, JavaScript. Do not miss the JavaScript. JavaScript is the engine for the web development. Okay, development. The script is very important for you. Okay. I think we are completed with this class. Thank you guys.